Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another What's for Dinner. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas and a happy new year. It has been so long since I have done a video, but I'm excited to get back into it. I'm hopefully going to be posting these every single Sunday or Monday. Y'all let me know down below, would you rather me upload on Sundays or Mondays? But yeah, anyways, I am so excited to be sharing with you a new What's for Dinner, and I'm already hopping right into the video. As you can see here, I am making lasagna soup. This is one of our favorite cold day dinners. This is super easy and it is very delicious. I will leave the recipe down below in the comment box or in the description box for you guys. And then, so here I'm just taking a pound of sausage and a pound of ground beef and some onion, and I'm just browning that up until it's cooked all the way through. And then I'm taking the rest of the ingredients and putting it into a pot and just starting to simmer that and just get it all nice and hot. And then once the sausage and the hamburger is all cooked, I will drain the grease off of it, and then I will add it all into the pot. And then as you will see here in just a little bit, I take some lasagna noodles and I just crunch them up. You guys can do as big or as small of pieces as you want, whatever your family likes. And then with the seasoning, I kind of just added a little bit, and then later on I will add more because I like a lot of seasoning, and so does my family. But if you prefer not a lot of seasoning, by all means use as much as you want. This is your kitchen, do as you wish. But yeah, this is really good if you've never had lasagna soup. It is a must try. It's one of my sister Megan's favorite things to make too. She loves lasagna soup. But anyways, yeah, this is my first recipe I'm sharing with you guys. I also just want to take this time to thank you so much for just being here and supporting my family and supporting my channel. It has been just really crazy over here. I probably need to do a big life update for you guys if you don't follow me on Instagram. Or I haven't really been active a whole bunch over there either, but I do share more over there than I do here on YouTube, obviously. So if you guys do want to see more of my life in real time, you can just follow me on Instagram. It's just lovemissyxoxo there as well. And if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I do What's for Dinner videos and grocery hauls. Sometimes I fall off the face of the earth because I just suffer with anxiety and depression, and I get really busy, and it's just life. And I share all of my life over here. I keep it 100% real. My dinners are not fancy. These are just dinners to get food on the table and feed my family, instead of going to McDonald's every day. What actually I would really prefer to do, because #busy working in school full-time, just crazy busy mom. So anyways, I feel like I'm rambling now just because I haven't talked to you guys in so long. But yeah, let's just get back to the video, shall we?
To resist, got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for.
So this is what it looks like when it's all done and in a bowl. I do add some cheese on top of mine because hello, you can't have lasagna without some cheese. And honestly, I can't have anything without cheese. I love cheese. But this is so good. If you guys try it, let me know. And then I have recently discovered these Grand's biscuits. You guys, let me tell you something. I love to make homemade biscuits. They're not too hard to make. They make a big old mess. And when I get off of work, the last thing I want to do is come home and make a big old thing of homemade biscuits. So I found these at Walmart in the frozen section. They are to die for. If you've never tried them, just wait and see what they look like when I pull them out of the oven. So good. So it's breakfast night. We are going to be making some bacon or sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits for dinner. And then we are going to just be having some hash browns on the side. Something easy, but this was like really good. We hadn't done this in a really long time. And I was just having a craving for a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. And it was just so good. So then I'm going to just scramble up some eggs and make scrambled eggs for our sandwiches instead of doing like fried eggs. Scrambled eggs are just easier to make. But yeah, I add a little bit of milk to my eggs. It just makes them more fluffy, I feel like. But yeah, that's what we're doing here. I told you those biscuits looked delicious and they taste amazing. If you guys have never tried those, you must try them. But this is what they look like, some bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits with some hash browns and ketchup on the side. This is super easy, you guys, and this is so good. So I just get this ham from Walmart. You can get whatever ham you want. This is like fully cooked, so I'm just going to put this on warm all day. But I just have this ham. I'm going to add some brown sugar and some pineapple to it. And like I said, I'm just going to sit this on warm and let this just heat up while I'm at work all day. And this was like falling apart. So good and tender. It's like making me hungry, and it's like making me want to make this again because it was so delicious. Good thing is you can use this ham for like leftovers, and you can make a lot of things with this. So you could make like hot ham and cheese sandwiches. You could use it and make omelets. You could just do so many different things with ham. Or just have leftovers. So on the side, I just made some mashed potatoes and gravy and some mac and cheese, and that is what we had for dinner that night. Like I said, this was so good. If you guys have never tried this, try it. If you like ham, you will love this. But that was what we had that night for dinner. And then on the next night, we had some good old hamburger helper and some mixed veggies. Let me tell you guys something. Do not let people judge you on what you are cooking for dinner, okay? It is okay to have hamburger helper sometimes. It is okay not to spend all afternoon cooking a big family dinner. So that is what we do over here on my channel. I just show you what we have for dinner and hopefully share with you guys some easy recipes, things that you guys can get on the table too for you busy working moms or just busy moms with little ones, or if your kids are doing a lot of sports and you're just busy. That is what my channel is about. So anyways, I'm just going to be making some hamburger helper. It's self-explanatory. If you've never had hamburger helper, it is so easy and it's really delicious too. So this is what it looked like. Just some good old hamburger helper and some veggies, like I said. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.